This is a modified sun salutation A. You're gonna stand with your feet about fist width apart. You can even put your fist right there just to make sure. Toes are slightly turned in, like slight pigeon toe vibes. Slightly tuck your tailbone. Now inhale, reach your arms up, look up. Exhale, hinge at your hips, fold down, look through your knees. Inhale, hands to shins, look up and lengthen. Exhale, fold down, look through your knees. Inhale, let the left knee bend. Let the left hand plant either on your shin or your foot, just not on your knee. Twist right, look up. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, bend the right knee, plant the right hand, reach the left arm up, look up. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, sweep your arms all the way up to the top. Reach up, look up. Exhale, right arm down the right side, reach the left arm up and over. Big stretch here, try to keep your hips even. Inhale, both arms up, look up. Exhale, left arm down, reach the right arm up and over. Big stretch here. Stay nice and tall. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, hinge at the hips, fold forward. Inhale, hands to shins, look up and lengthen. Exhale, fold it down. Inhale, bend the left knee, plant the left hand, right arm up, look up, big twist. Exhale, unwind, bring it down. Inhale, bend the right knee, reach the left arm up. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale all the way to the top, big stretch, fingertips to heels. Exhale, right arm down the right side, reach the left arm up and over, big stretch through that left side. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, left arm down, reach the right arm up and over, big stretch through that right side. Both hips point forward. Inhale, up. And we're gonna go through one more time together. Exhale, fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, bend that left knee, right side twist, look up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, bend that right knee, left side twist, look up. Exhale, fold. Inhale to the top, big stretch. Exhale, right arm down, bend to the right. Inhale, up. Exhale, left arm down, bend to the left. Inhale, up. And then hands to heart. You are done. Don't you feel so much better?